Certainly, Amazon has a nice product line going into the holiday, and its retail business should do very well. The U.S. economy, is very strong. So I would think Amazon will definitely lead trading activity and be one of the stronger stocks going into the holiday period. But interestingly, the advertising businesses tend to do well around the holidays as well, given the connection between e-commerce and advertising. So we'd anticipate that Alphabet and Facebook do well during the period as well.
Paul, it looks to me like you've got an interesting contrast between Apple selling these $1,000 plus phones on the one hand, and then Amazon announcing a fleet of products all under $250. Now, the temptation is to compare the two, but I'm not sure Amazon could do what Apple's doing, even if they wanted to. The Fire Phone didn't work. I'm not sure Apple wants to do what Amazon is doing, which to them might be selling a fleet of accessories. How do you parse between the two, and who's likely to succeed? Maybe both.
I think you've nailed it. I think they figured out their segmentation. They know where their strengths are. I don't think Apple has ever been a discount provider of anything, and I'm not really sure it's the right positioning for Amazon to be a premium provider of anything. I think they're both in a great spot, and I think just across the board right now, these larger tech companies are really, really well positioned for a whole variety of reasons.
Scott, I want to get your thoughts on Google and Alphabet, and I guess specifically whether there's sort of a larger reckoning coming for that company. I mean, obviously a few weeks ago, you had that empty seat that spoke volumes in terms of a CEO not there from the company. Just today, you have more negative headlines, or I guess sort of controversial headlines regarding discussions within the company in terms of search results and where they place what. How should we think about all of this? Are regulators coming for them here in the U.S.?
Well, regulation's certainly coming in the U.S. and already begun to in Europe, both for Alphabet and Facebook. But, the commercial internet's existed for more than 25 years now. So, regulators have been somewhat, asleep at the wheel or not focused on this sector and are just beginning to put rules or guardrails in place. So it's not something that we think in the long run is going to be damaging, to the companies. It's just going to force them to make modifications to their business models because, frankly, there haven't been rules to date. But as it relates to business performance and stock performance, we're not going to go back to shopping at Kmart and watching VCR tapes. And so the change that's happening and is underway is only going to continue, and it's going to continue to favor these companies, Alphabet and Facebook included in that, as well as Amazon and others.